Huh? Okay, so we have a little test case where this orpling will stay materialized, so I can rapidly test what's going wrong with my approach. So we have the orpling which gets hit here, and then we set it on chase. And when it's on chase, it should chase the player. But why does it not do it when I just change the target? I guess it could not find a path to it. I'm not sure. So let's see. This happens, then we need to update path as in target position needs to be set to us, and then always update it to the player. Now let's think. If we change the target, it will still be going in here. And then we will look if the target is reached, and we cannot do that because target reached will hold on, it needs to do this. It's one of the issues I had, but it cannot do this. This is a problem. So I need to make a distinction here if it's chasing or not. The rest is fine, actually. Rest must be fine. This reach tolerance is also not good, but that's fine for now. So if it chases us, it will never reach us anyway, because this will never happen. It should never happen. And we do reset this to the last one, right? Or the next one from our starting point. Yes, we do. This should be fine. So if I start this, this should actually follow me. Oh no, I forgot the path. I don't update the path yet. So, if you say, alright, you're chasing. Oh, wait a moment. So chase, this will update in every 2 seconds. This means it can reach the point where the player still is not there anymore. So we do actually, it's not done with this being 0. We also have to consider updating again if it's getting chased here. Okay. It's fine. It's fine for now. Good that I keep that in mind. Switch. So this is the idle, which it's default at, and on chase we want what we have here. Yes. Which is this. Let me set that on chase. Set this thing on this. And then do the pathing. Okay. And when we get hit, we want to update and then as long as we are away 50 radius from him and our last scanned position for him is not in the updating tick frame, then it should be fine. It should be able to chase us, I think. Yeah, the 2-second delay is too much, I think. It does chase us. Perfect. So if I go here, like all the way here, it should be able to chase us. Perfect. So yesterday I wasn't wrong, I just couldn't think anymore. My room was way too hot to think. Today it's fine. Fresh brain is always good for programming. Alright. So this roughly does what I want. We don't need this. this will be important for another turn, since this is just a rough implementation. This is fine now. Now we have to deal with this part. Let's see. Should I make a switch here? And then just say, go to update path? Should be fine, right? No, wait. Give me that. Alright, switch. And then we say idle, it goes here. And chase, it goes here. And then... I guess that's fine. Ah, okay, it was hard-coded here. Let's hit 5. I think if it's now 10, it will update this thing only if it reaches my shadow. So let's see if that works actually as intended. So first I trigger him. And now it should go to that corner and then to me. So that part of the code works. I guess it cannot handle the edges though. If it hits an edge, then it cannot handle. Oh, but it was able to turn anyway, after 10 seconds, of course. Alright. So this would be a better thing. And let's look at that code where it goes outside. If it's false, it does nothing. And it should actually do the same thing, I guess, like the player, which is just doing an approximation of the edge. Calculate movement, and then I have this, and if this is false, I go here, transform to closest point, blah blah blah. And then I do another line trace. At the position I want to go. No, where I am. No? Yes. Downwards, so I hit the ground, so I can get the ground I'm standing on. And from there... Oh, this could be... Never mind, we are using this tag, so it's fine. And then... we do the closest point somewhere. Where was it? Here, closest point. And then we send a line. No, we do want to go to that position, but we go a little backwards if we don't hit the edge, because edge and line trace do not like each other. If it hits, we go in. If not, we go from that direction a little to the side. So I guess that needs to happen with... Maybe I should put this on a function thingy. Okay. Okay, let's keep that in mind. I will implement this later. Ah, perfect. I did that already. I said, yeah, let's do that another time. Should I? Should I postpone it again? I don't know. I guess we'll put it here. The thing is called... Can someone tell me why the name here is like this and then it just still does that fucking stupid thing where it just does its own thing. I mean, I want it to be called this. I don't want it to call this. And I would prefer it to be that shape here too. Camel clays, please. But no. Oh well, whatever. Maybe it's an editor setting that I don't want to search. Anyway, moving on. So we put this here, and then all the variables we will add as an input. And then we also do them as local variables and so on. Yes, this one and this one. That's actually it. Only three variables. Interesting. Let's call them local. Oh, that's wrong. Oop. And we do this, and we do this, and we do this. Okay, of course, we should put these a little back. And this guy, self, also needs, of course, how can this be even self? This is not an actor. Oh well. Right, actor. Actor? Hello? There. So I want this to be on top. Position to transform is more important. Flipping float 1. What? And this actor. This should be fine like this. I just need that. And maybe rearrange these. Perfect. Alright. So now we can use this on the player. Or not. Of course not, because we need this guy everywhere. Forgot. Don't stop. Ta-da! This should do. No. Where do we use this? In one place. I mean, if we say transform to closest from this thing, and then we get self, position, actor, and flipping float. Like this. So if the player now can move, we can delete that function. Let's see. Yep, still works. Now we can use it for our little orbling. Like this. Now I just need to find the correct parts. Self. Flipping float. Do we have that? Yes, we have. And do we have position to transform? I guess not. Or is it this? Maybe it's this. So this should spam. Now, did we still keep it on 10 seconds? That would be very helpful. Nope. Let's go. Wait a second, was I not able to do this with the 0.5 actually? I don't remember. Maybe not. Or maybe yes? Damn, this will be hard to trigger if I don't teleport myself. What happens if it reaches me? Nothing, actually. Ah, there we go. New code, but it did not work. What happens, I wonder? Where does it fail? I mean, this will be always out of scope, but no matter. So it is able to set. Where's the actual position of the actor? So the actor is at -109 and it wants to move to... Oh, it's the same. Except the Z one is not the same. Do I need to add? What happens if I go on the edge? Nine, 8. Okay, that is different. And the Z is also different. Okay, so the Z we don't care, but why is this one on our orblings so different? Odd. Rather odd. Guess I have to look for the pathing. Which we can. It has 3, which is fine. Uh-huh. Why does it not go to this one? It should be turning, no? It's target direction. Did I put the target direction in? No, I did not. So it is not reached. Calculate this thing. And then? What do we get here? 9.3. So that's fine. Wants to go there. And then? It always goes there. Second time, third time, fourth time. And does it go here? Oh, never mind. It broke free. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's see. Huh? Where's the path? Oh wait, that's the player. One, 104. And what's our actual position? That's the up vector. I would love to see minus 118 to minus 118. That's not good. Minus 300. Minus 300. So it gets the same location at. Wait, did I look at the... No. Why is this the target? Get actor look. Local actor position offset above. I'm so stupid. That's not the... That's not the direction we want to go. Oh, of course. Oh, I'm so stupid. I was just not reading this thing and was assuming. Hey, Tentor. Do I know you? What's your name? Hey, Robin. You're speaking Japanese, so I wonder. Oh, Shima! Hello. Welcome, welcome. So... So we don't need this. This is stupid. And I guess I'm not calculating this anywhere. I need to do it myself. Well, I can do it manually, that's fine. Let's do that. All we need is the direction, which is this here. Do I save it anywhere? Calculate direction. Hold on. How are you guys doing? Thanks for joining. I mean, all I have to do is get direction and multiply it by my walking speed, not turn speed. And it should have the correct vector. Well, the game is doing fine, I guess. Oh, I forgot to change the title of the stream. It's the 14th day, and it's part 3. Let's update that real quick. But yeah, I basically implemented the orblings flying around and landing on the ground and flying again. But right now I'm implementing the detection of the player, and I found out that when the orbling is on the edge and wants to go outside, it stops the walking algorithm. It should actually do something here, and there was nothing implemented, so I had this there, handle edge of floor, and now I'm handling it, but I need to correct direction my orbling wants to go to do this, which is, I guess, what we have here from start. If it hits, what am I doing? Why don't I just use this? And then it should be fine. Remove breakpoint and let's go. So this big cylinder thing is the detection of the orbling. If I don't go there, it will just go to this arrow and then turn back. And if I touch it, if it follows me now, so what I want to try right now is to trigger that, and it worked. Now it doesn't get stuck on the edge. So basically this algorithm will follow me endlessly. If I go here, it will just go all the way there and then come to my side. So this works. And the edge case works also. Now what I need to implement is that if it's chasing me, it should get tired or lose interest and then go to its own habit of following the waypoints, and the cluster should also stop its countdown for making the orbling fly again. It should resume the timer or reset the timer when the player does not interact or is not being chased anymore. And that will be a little more complicated, I think. I'm not sure if I should do it today or some other day. Let's see. Let's make a plan, and if I see that it's doable with my brain right now, I will do it, and if not, I will just stop streaming. So this is fine, this is done. And maybe we should do a little local variable for that part. Yes, exactly that. Right now this is an abstract orbling, which is like the programming for all the orblings, but I have like Tomati right here, orbling Tomati, and if I go there, I can tell him to override some functions. I can go here and say, hey, you do the thing with the grounds thing. Where is it? The ground procedure. You do it very differently than other orblings. So I can have this function name, and my orbling cluster can tell this guy, hey, make this ground procedure, but every single orbling does it differently. So yes, I can go to the Tomati one and say, hey, if you find the player, don't do chase, do flee. And then it would go to the flee procedure instead. Yes. But yeah, these are very basic implementations right now. And this should actually go to this thing, and then these things need to be implemented in the actual orblings like Tomati and so on. But right now it's just testing, so I have the functionality in there. Let's see. So our cluster has this set timer. Wait, yes, that's the one. No, that's not the one. The one I need is the, it's not here. Is it here? No, it's also not here. Where did I put it? The cluster needs an... Yeah, it is this one, set timer, yeah. So I need to save this, and afterwards I need to say pause. Paste here now. Can I stop the timer? Can I do anything with this? What can I do with this? Clear. So the functions are under time. Yeah, that's true. So much to think. It seems to be like never stopping. You solve one thing and then two more things pop up. There it is. Pause the timer by handle. Is there also a reset? I guess just setting it would be the reset. I guess pause and unpause is what I need. Because if the player always touches the detection range of the orbling, it would just always reset, no? Well, that's what I'm doing. I just start developing, and if I don't know anything, I just go here and say Unreal timer set, and then I read. And then you read, and then you understand, and then you do. I guess. Do I ever stop this? No, it always just loops one time and yeah, I think motivation is the biggest problem of these things. I try to at least do something every day so it just keeps going, it piles up. Some days I do more, some days I do less. And I guess I will stop here. I will just clean up and do this timing thing another day. What did I touch? Oh yeah, it is cleaned here. Just needs a little local variable. Local whatever. Like this. And then I can get this and do it here so it is a little easier to read. Alright, and this part will be on the Tomati and other orblings. Here we didn't do anything. The player is fine. This is our test case. I think the cleanup is fine then. I didn't do anything else. Alright. Well, thanks for tuning in, you two. And anyone else who's watching this afterwards. If ever. But yeah. Let's see what I will do next. Bye-bye.